Hi everyone, good day to you all. This is Cable TV Solutions. Right now I'm going to teach you how to install your DStv from scratch. Now this training is specific for people looking to become DStv installers like I am. So let's go. I'm going to teach you how to do this. Okay, so there are different type of dishes, like 7 to 8 different type of dishes. So this right here is the latest dish that DStv produces right now, so I'm going to teach you how to install this one. There's going to be tons of other different dishes, and maybe I'll make a video about them next time, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to stick with this one here. You can see, yeah, so this is the one we're doing. Okay, so we're going to start by opening the screws. We're putting all up in here. So we want to start with the elbow. This is the elbow right here. And here is the face. So this right here is like the neck of the dish. We call it the neck, because it makes the dish move up and down, It gives the dish movement. So we place it like this. We make sure that this hole here, that it's in here, so we can put the screws in there. So put the first screws, it comes out on the other end. Use the nut. Put the second one in there, comes out here. Put another. Okay. So we put the second handle in. Now you can see that over here we have different type of screws, so they are just, basically they are just 4 types of screws here, and I'm going to lay them according to the sizes so you know which one you're working with. So this right here is the smallest. This is the smallest right here, and this smallest is for holding the dish at this point. There are like 4 of it in the nylon, so I'm still going to show you how it is, but I'm just trying to show you the sizes of the screws. So this right here is another type. This is the second smallest. So this one, we use it to hold places like this. This is like the handle for holding the dish up. So we'll screw this into. Okay, so here we're ready to place this on the dish. So here's where you're going to use the small screws, like I said before. These are the smallest one. So there's just 4 of it for each hose on the dish. So you need a 10 spanner for this. So you start by putting the first one in here, place the handle on it, then put the knot in. You want to do the same for the other hand too. Then you put the knot on this side too. Then we do the third one. Then we do the last one. Now, we use the second smallest screw on the list to hold this in here and place it on this. Then put the knots in there. if you notice, I didn't close this place off. Reason for that is because you need this place to track the dish. You don't want to close this too tight because you need it to move the dish up and down and you get your signal. So you still need those places that are included. So next, we want to put our LMB on it. Now this is the standard universal single LMB for most DStv decoders. You know, yours might be a smart LMB, it might be a dual, it might be a quad. So it doesn't matter, it's all the same. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to be using a single LMB. So place it on it, close it up, then you screw this in. Now you don't wanna screw it too tight. You just wanna make sure that it's still able to move. So there. Now we want to fix the elbows. Now this is the elbow. This is like the base of the dish. So this is what goes on the wall or stays on the floor. Basically, this is your base right here that you used to hang the dish. So now there are two sides to this base. So you can pause the video now. Now to nail this, there's the last part to the dish, which is this right here. This is the base. The base of the whole thing. So this we are going to nail to this. For the sake of this video, we are going to be using this. So we nail it to this and we use it to track our signal. First things first, I'm going to slide a little washer in to protect this. So you want to place this right here. So the other side.
Easy down.
So now you want to take this base we coupled right here and bring it in here like this. So we're gonna use this screw. Our base is now on. So now we can place the dish on it. Bring our dish. Here you can see the hole for the pole here. So we can slide it in like this. It's in there. So next we want to screw this side to hold this to the pole. These are the second biggest screws. It's right on each side. So you want to make sure that the two sides are the same. Next, we're going to grab our site finder. So this right here is the digital meter. We use this to track different satellites. You know, it's a multi-purpose one. You can also use this to work with CCTV as well, not just satellites. Okay, so we have our tracking cable here. We're going to plug it to the dish right here. I'm gonna screw this in. Okay. So yeah, right here. Once you plug your dish, your LMB to the sat finder, you're going to get something here called a signal strength. Usually it's 60%. For your meter, it might be different. But the point is, you should get the signal strength. If you're not getting a signal strength, there's something is wrong. Maybe your LMB is faulty or your tracking cable is bad. So, but you have to have a signal strength here. So now we're going to come behind the dish. Because if you want to track, you need to track behind the dish, not in front of it, so as you can get your accurate and purpose where the signal is coming from. You need to know where to get the signal. It might not be DStv, it might be something, it might be StarTime, it might be DStv, anything it is. You need to know where that signal is coming from. You just don't place your dish and just hope you get signal. No, it doesn't work like that. So for DStv, you know, my direction is this way. So it's always different with different neighborhoods. Your neighborhood, your DStv might be facing somewhere else. So just try and take a walk around the neighborhood and see where the DStv satellite is facing. You know, talk to people, find out if they use DStv. And if their dish is facing so way, then you want to place your dish facing that way as well. So now we're going to start tracking our satellite dish. So now we want to start by moving the neck slowly up. And if it doesn't get, move it down, shift it to the side. Go again. So as you can see the numbers reading, that's the strength of the signal. So yeah, so we get about 76 right here. So now you want to lock the dish on the spot where you got the signal. So now this part is a bit tricky because the slightest movement the dish can lose signal. So you want to try your best to make sure you do this without losing your signal. So now once you get your signal, the first thing you should do is to lock the neck here, because this is the elbow. So make sure you lock here. As you can see, we got 64 or 66 as the signal. So we have a little trick we do to boost the signal quality. You can come to the LMB, make sure you are staying not in front of it, by the side like this. You can try adjusting this to the side a little bit and see if the signal will increase. So yeah, you can see it got up to 75. Okay, so we're back here inside to plug our decoder. We're done with the installation. So as you can see, I plugged it. It's booting up on the screen. So now we're going to plug in the signal cable. So now I made a video on how to do gotv installation. So in that video I gave a tutorial on how you can cut your cable and put your F connector in there, to put in your decoder. So you can go check that out to know how to put this thing in properly. Okay, so we're going to wait for it to come up on the screen. Okay, so yeah, no signal, E48. So now we're going to go in and put our cable in. Okay, so you can see on the screen that it's come up. So let me grab our remote so we can operate the decoder. Hold up. So there's a remote control. Okay, so yeah, you can see the screen. You can check the signal strength and quality on 2 status. So yeah, you can see our signal strength is 100, the quality is 76. For the tuner 2, the strength is 100, the quality is 68. So very good signal to work with if you're using your DStv. So basically that's all to it on how to fix your DStv. That's all you need. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, anything you think I missed, just drop a link, just drop a question in the comment section, and also please subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.